your complete system information. See, this is the operating system, but the base machine is what? Your laptop only, where you stored the Windows operating system. Okay, so the directory, the file system is same. You have D drive there, here also there is D drive. You have C drive there, here also it is C drive. All the files, whatever you stored, you can see here also. Okay. So here you should not think that here there is a separate file system. There in Windows there is a separate file system, because this operating system is a native operating system of Windows. Okay. But when we use Linux, we will separately install the Linux. Okay. And there you can't fetch the Windows file system. File system means, I think you know, whatever files, folders you stored already. So that you can't fetch. That will work as an independent operating system. But here MS-DOS is a native operating system. In Windows, it is embedded. I did not load anything. Okay, just I type CMD to open the MS-DOS window. I opened it. Okay. So this MS-DOS will fetch the file system, what is there in the Windows operating system also. Okay. So this C drive is nothing but what is there in the Windows Explorer. The Windows Explorer, what are the files are there, files, folders are there, that only will be there, visible here. Okay, on that you can work being in here also. Being in the MS-DOS operating system also, you can work on the same Windows Explorer files. Okay. So now when you open, you would be there in some other path. Okay. That is depending on your file system. Okay. But of course, anywhere in whichever file system or whichever drive, if you want to move, you can move. Okay, you can go to other drivers. Sorry, you can go to other drives and you can access. Even for example, now I am in a C drive. I want to go to D drive, I can go. I should know what command I have to type for that. Okay. Okay. Now first I will type system info. Okay, this will show the complete system information. Okay. What I have typed. Students, this font is visible, it is readable, or it is very small.
It's readable, ma'am.
To everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, can you increase a little bit?
Yes. One second. We will keep it as 24. Okay. Now is this visible? This is readable?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Yes, ma'am.
I typed system info. SYSTEM info. No space in between. This is a single command. Okay. This will bring out the system, complete system information. Okay. After I typed, I'm going to press enter key now. Okay. Wherever I am, being in the directory, default directory. Directory means what? Folder. Being in the default directory, that means being in the default location only, I typed the system info. See, look at here. This is entirely the command prompt. By this I did not type. This I did not type. What I highlighted, no, this I did not type. This is command prompt. Okay. On the prompt only, you will query whatever you want by typing command. Okay. So what I typed here is system info. Okay. Now I'm going to press enter key. See, now this is showing the complete system information of mine. Just a second. See, look at here. What operating system I'm using, version of the operating system, manufacturer, registered owner, everything. What is the processor? All the information, system information, I can see here. Okay, I just scrolling the scroll bar. Okay, I did not do anything. Okay. Okay. Now students, everybody should type system info. Being in the path, you don't change path. Being in whatever path you are, just type system info and scroll up, because that will be usually very lengthy content. Okay, so scroll up, okay, take the snapshot or screenshot, okay, and save it in one Word file. Save it in one Word file. When you save, you can type even on the top. Before saving this screenshot, you can write the command name. Then later when you organize, it will be easy for you. Okay. So open one Word file here in your desktop. Open a Word file or create Word file, and you copy paste this screenshot after typing system info. So then you will know this is the screenshot of system info command. Okay. So do it that. Okay. You know, you can't take the entire page. Okay. Only keep the first page. Okay. Starting from the first. Only this information is visible. It is enough. Okay. So now what I'm going to do. So now this is my command prompt. I just clear, this is a lengthy content, no, I just want to clear the screen. Okay. So to clear the screen, I will type CLS. Okay, clear screen, CLS. Okay. I typed. Now this, I should know if I want to clear the screen, no, what is the command? That is CLS. So I typed CLS, I'm going to press enter. Okay, now you see my content. Nothing is there except the command prompt, nothing is there. Everything is cleared. Okay. Suppose now next I want to know in which drive, not folder or directory, in which drive I am currently on. Of course, by seeing here, I can say I am in C drive, but there is a command for that which is called volume, because in Windows we will call C, D and all drive. The partitions, no, those are called drive. But in MS-DOS, we will call those as volume. Volume means drive. C drive, D drive, E drive. All those are volume, VOLUME. But command here you will type VOL. Okay. I typed VOL. I'm going to press enter. It is showing I am in which drive. Volume in drive C is Windows. Okay. And then I want to know version of my operating system. So I type VER to display the version of OS. I can see the version of my operating system, Windows operating system. Okay. Suppose I want to display date. Okay. I
Hello,
typed
ma'am.
date. Yes.
Ma'am, we are learning Linux also through CLI or GUI.
We are going to load the Red Hat Linux. Okay. And that we are going to see the commands.
Ma'am,
Okay.
it is a command line interface or a graphical user interface?
Command line interface.
Okay.
Okay. So C users HP. This is my prompt. In this prompt, I am typing date. I press enter. It is showing the date. Okay. Okay. Now being in C drive, I want to move to any other drive, any other volume I want to move. Okay. So for that, simply I have to type the drive name D colon. Now currently I am in C drive, C volume C. I want to move from volume C to volume D. Okay. So what I will type for that, D colon, because I want to move to D. Okay, I have D drive. Okay. Now you see it is showing D here. Okay. So D colon, whichever drive. Okay, so the drive name colon you will type. Okay. Now again I want to move to, now currently I am in D drive. Okay. I want to move to C drive again. What I will write? I will type C colon. Okay. Now I came to C drive. Okay. I came back to C drive. Okay. Now I am not directly in C drive now. Okay. I am within the C drive. I am in users folder or directory. Within the users folder, I have HP folder. Okay. So now currently I am in HP drive, HP directory. Okay. Folder is also called as directory here. Okay. So this is one directory and this is one directory. This is a drive. Okay. So this also called as volume. Okay. Now I just want to display whatever is there. I want to list whatever is there in HP, because now I don't know whatever is there in HP folder or HP directory. I want to see that. Then I will use the with now I'm going to type dir. This is a command which will list all the files and directories in the current directory. See, now which is my current directory now? So currently I am in HP directory. Okay, so this is called working directory. Currently in which directory? Directory is nothing but folder, remember. So currently I am in which directory? HP directory. Now, if anybody asked what is my working directory, I will say HP is my working directory. Okay. Now, inside my working directory, whatever is there, what files and folders, directories are there, I want to see, I will type dir command. I typed simply dir command. I'm going to press enter. So look at here, it is showing. See, here I typed the command. Okay. It is showing whatever directories within the HP directory, whatever files and directories are there. Now, wherever dir is written, no, that is directory. If nothing is there, that is files. Okay, that are files. It is showing here totally in HP, I have 3 files, 18 direct. 3 files, 18 direct. Even I can go to my Windows Explorer, I can confirm this. Okay, going to my Windows Explorer, I can confirm this. Okay, where I went, this is my Explorer. I open C drive. Okay, within the C drive, users HP. C files and folders. Okay, so the same name you can see here.
Ma'am, hidden files are also visible in command prompt.
Yes, that we will discuss. Okay, so desktop, documents, downloads, desktop, documents, downloads, favorites, all are there here also. 1 second. Okay, so whatever is there in the Windows Explorer, that means your file system. Whatever is your Windows file system, that only will be visible here. Okay. Now I am in HP. Being in HP, I saw whatever is there inside the HP. 1 second. Students, now till now you can type the commands except dir. Except dir. All other commands you type one after another. System info you typed, you took the screenshot. Then you type volume, version, date, changing the drive, changing the volume. Okay, these 4 commands you will type. Okay, you don't type directory dir. Okay, this output will be lengthy. That is actually depending on the content of your folder. Okay, but don't type dir, you type all these, and togetherly you take only one screenshot. So one screenshot for VOL, VER, date and D drive. Okay, take the snapshot and store in the same Word file. Okay, already you stored the Word, this screenshot, no? Same screenshot. See, same file may you have to store this screenshot also. But on the top of the screenshot in your Word file, you please type VOL, comma, BER, comma, date, comma, D colon. Okay. Then later, when you arrange, it will be easy. Sorry. Okay, so that Word file, don't forget to save that Word file. You are saving the screenshot of all the output, no, that you don't forget to save. Okay, so after you saved that screenshot, you can type dir command. Okay, then keeping the screen like this and take the snapshot and save it in the same Word file. Okay, after typing dir, in the Word file may you type dir, then below that you save the screenshot of this.
Ma'am,
Students,
can
are
you
you all
scroll a
doing?
little up? Yes, ma'am, we are doing.
I am keeping in the, okay. So these commands, volume, version, date, D. This is one
Ma'am,
screenshot.
after
Yes.
entering the date now, it's telling us to enter the new date we wanna change. So how should we exit from that? There.
You just press enter, you will come out.
Okay, ma'am, thank you.
And then separately you type DIR and then take the screenshot and save the third. This is the third screenshot. This is also in the same Word file. Okay. Now I clear the screen by typing CLS. I cleared the screen. Yes, done, students.
Done, ma'am.
Okay. So now I am in HP directory. I want to go to one directory back. Okay. That means I want to, now I am in HP directory. No, I want to go to users directory. Okay. I will type the command cd, change directory. Okay. I want to change the directory. No. Right now my working directory is HP. I want to go to one directory back. That means the users directory I have to go. Okay. What I will do in Windows, what you will do, currently you are in one directory. Okay, that is the inner directory or subdirectory of another directory. Currently you are in one folder. That folder is a subfolder of another folder. How will you move? Students,
Yes, ma'am.
how will you move to the inner directory to outer directory?
Don't know, ma'am.
Windows Explorer na?
Yes, ma'am. In GUI, no?
You will, if you came through that way, you can go to back.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Otherwise, you will open the Explorer and you will go to the, just by clicking the icon, you will go to the corresponding directory. Okay. Now, one thing you have to remember here, I can do all the tasks only with respect to my current working directory. Okay. Suppose now here I typed dir, being in HP. It did not, this dir did not display whatever is there in users. It display whatever is there in HP. Because HP is my current directory, working directory. Current working directory is HP. So dir displays whatever files and folders are there in HP, not in users or not in C drive. Okay. Suppose I want to display whatever directories and files are there in users. What I have to do, there are other ways also. Okay. What I have have to do, I have to move to users directory. Being in the users directory, I have to type dir. Okay. When I am in users directory will be my working directory. Okay. Now, after I made the user directory as working directory, if I type dir, then whatever the inner content of the users directory will be displayed. But now the inner content of the HP directory is getting displayed. Okay. So I have to move to users directory. That means now I am in HP directory. One step back I have to move. For that I will use cd command change directory double dot. This denotes I have to back one directory. I have to go back to one directory. Okay. Now cd double dot I typed. I pressed enter. Now you see previously where I were in HP directory. Now I was in users directory. Okay. So initially I was in HP directory. Now I came to users directory. How I came? By typing the command cd double dot. Okay. Now being in the users directory, if I type dir, it will display, I'm going to press enter. It will display the directories and files what are there, but actually users does not have any files, so it is showing 0 files, 4 directories. So now it is showing whatever the inner content of users. Okay. Suppose again I want to go to one step back. Where I am now, which is my current working directory, users is my current working directory. I want to again go back one step. Then I will type cd dot dot, press enter. Now I came to, you see, C drive. Now I will type dir, it will show whatever the inner content of the C drive. So these are the directories I have in C drive. Okay. So this also you can take. Okay. So you have to be in the third level of directory. Then you type cd. You type cd being in HP. HP is working directory. You went to users directory. One step back. Okay. Now your current working directory, being in the current working directory is users directory. Being in users directory, you typed dir, you will get to see whatever the inner content of users directory. Okay, now being in users directory, you typed cd double dot change directory. You went to one directory back. Now where you are in users directory. You came to C drive. Being in C drive, you typed dir command. It is showing inner content of the C drive. Okay, C volume. Okay, so now this again you have to take the screenshot and you have to save it. From the highest level of directory, you have to come to drive, C drive. Okay. Take the snap of this, and on the top you have to write cd double dot. Okay, cd double dot, under that you will store this. You can write cd double dot comma dir also. Okay, because both the commands, change directory and dir, both the commands have shown here.
Done, ma'am.
Okay, students, done?
Yes, ma'am.
Done, ma'am.
Okay. I clear the screen. Okay, now I am in C drive, but I want to go back to my HP. Okay, HP directory. Now now I am in one particular directory. I want to change the directory, no? So same command, but not double dot. Okay, because where I have to go, currently I am in C drive. I have to go to HP directory. I have to go to HP directory. Okay, so I can write, because HP directory is not immediately next to C drive. Okay, I have to cross other levels also. So what I will do, I am going to type cd. Anyway, the command is cd only, because I want to change the directory. From now, currently C drive is my working drive. Okay, I have to change that. Okay, so the same command is cd, change directory. But where I have to change from, I am right now I am in C drive. Where I want to go, that destination you will write. Okay, so how I can write that destination cd, I have to type now path. After that, after typing cd command, cd is a command. Next I'm going to type the path where I want to go. So C:/ users. See, the directory files are case sensitive. Okay, my directory name is users, but U capital. So I have to type capital. Okay, so users / again, which slash it is. It's not forward slash, it's a backward slash. Remember, backward slash HP. HP is capital because my directory is capital HP. Okay, now I'm going to press enter. See, now I came to HP. Okay, now I am in HP directory. Okay, I know that within the, because just before I checked within the HP directory I have documents, desktop and all other directories. Okay, now my current working directory is what? HP. Being in HP directory, I just want to go to inner directory of HP, that is desktop. Please understand, within the HP directory I have many directories, but I want to go to desktop directory, which is there inside the HP directory. Okay, how I know that it is there in HP directory? I will type again dir, enter. See, I have desktop, where it is inside the HP. Inside the HP I have desktop. I want to go to desktop directory now. Okay, I just clear. So now I am in, one second, I show you already again, cd double dot, where I will go, any one of you. I typed cd double dot. I will
Ma'am,
go
in
to which
users
directory?
folder. Users.
Users directory.
Users. Yes, I came to users. Again I typed cd double dot, where I will go?
C drive.
I will go to C
C
drive.
drive.
Okay, now this back I went. Okay, one step back I went. Okay, now being in here cd double dot, if I type no, I will not go anywhere. Okay, because this is volume. Okay, now I want to change the volume. What I will do? From C, I want to change to D. What I will do? I want to change the directory. See, now I am in C directory, no? I type double dot. It is not working. It is not going back after reach the directory, after reach the volume. Okay, suppose I want to change the volume. What I will type here? I have to type D colon. Remember? Now I came to D drive. Okay. From D drive, I want to go to C drive again. Okay. What I will type?
C colon.
CD. I came to, one second. CD is not required, C colon. Okay, because this is changing volume, not changing directory. Okay. So I came to now C. C, changing from one drive, that means one volume to another volume, you will not type CD, you will type C colon. That means the directory name colon, drive name colon, volume name colon. Okay. But changing other than the drives, other than volume only, you will type what? CD. Okay. Now currently I'm in C. So just typing CD double dot, one step back, I came easily. If I want to go to forward, what I have to do, I have to type CD, the complete path, or otherwise, suppose being in, now where I am in C drive. Now from the C drive, being in C drive, I want to go to users. Users is what? In my case, users is inside the C drive directly. Within the C drive, I have users directory. Came here. I came to users. I typed only users here. Okay. But I am in C drive now. I want to go to HP. If I type CD HP, I will not go. Okay, one second. One second, let me check. It is taking because it is a default path, I think. One second, let me check. CD double dot. Okay. Now being in the C drive, assume that I am moving to users. I want to go to users. That is immediately inside the C drive. So I will be able to move. I came to users. Now, one second, I will try. I just want to try. Being in users, I know that inside the users there is HP. Within the HP, I have desktop. Okay. Let me try to go to desktop. Okay, I just check whether it is happening or not. This is not happening. Why? Because the desktop is this. When I open the default, here default was C users HP. Okay. So being in the users, I can go to change directory HP. This I will be able to do because this HP is directly inside users. Okay, please understand. Within the users directory, I have HP directly. So I will be able to move. Okay, but let me try. I go back to users. I go back to C. Now I type CD HP. Let me see. Because why I am saying this, because now I am in C drive. Being in C drive, I have to go to users and then I have to go to HP because HP is inside users, no? Okay. So what it is going. Maybe that is because of these three levels, C, users, HP, these three are what? These three are default directories as per my system. Okay.
Yes,
At the
ma'am. It is
same,
not working in ours.
so now let me check. I am moving to C drive. Okay. I want to go to desktop. Where is desktop? To go to desktop, first I have to go to users and then I have to go to HP and then I have to go to desktop. Okay. But what I am trying directly, I am trying desktop. It should not happen. Okay. Being in, which is my current working directory, C, drive C. Being in C, I can access only which are immediately inside C. Okay. But where is the desktop? Desktop is inside the C drive. There is a directory which is users. Again, within users, there is a directory called HP. Within that HP only, I have desktop. Okay. So now I am trying directly from CD to go to desktop. It should not work. The system cannot find the path specified because I am in C drive. So the system cannot find, system can only find whatever is currently inside C. Desktop is not inside C. Okay, it is not directly inside C. Okay. So what I can do, I can go to CD. Being in CD, inside the CD, users is there, no? So I can go to first users. How we came back, one step by step, like that. I'm moving step ahead, one by one step ahead. So being in C, I went to users. Okay. Now being in users, I can go to HP. I went. Now being in HP, I can go to, being in HP, I can go to desktop. This is my aim, no? I want to go to desktop. Desktop now. So step by step ahead I am moving. Okay. But I don't want to go to step by step. I'm going back again. Don't want to go to step by step. Then what I have to do? I want to go to by using single CD command. What I will do? I have to give the complete path. See, please listen. This is important. Now, being in what I did, being in C drive, I have typed users. Okay. This is a directly directory name. Okay. But the CD is a command, users is a path where I have to go. But this is what? This is which path? This is the
Ma'am, you are not audible.
students. Can you hear me? There is a network issue.
Now we can hear.
Now you can hear. Okay. So the screen is visible, no?
Yes, ma'am.
CMD is visible, no? Students,
Yes,
can
ma'am.
you see the CMD window of mine?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now here also I typed the absolute path. Here also I typed the absolute path. Here also I typed here also absolute path. Now I want to type the complete path. I have to. Because being in C drive, I want to directly go to desktop. So complete path I have to type C:/ remember the slash is not forward slash, backward slash. Here, users, again backward
Got it.
slash, okay, HP, again backward slash, desktop. Okay, what I typed the same CD command, but I'm typing the complete path. I am leaving exactly where I want to go. I want to go to desktop.
Okay,
I
right.
have to say, because here what it could not find out the path, no? So why? Because directly you said desktop. So it could not find out because desktop is not directly inside C. It could not search. Okay. If you have given the complete path like this, then it can search and find. Okay. What you're saying here, change the directory. Okay. Which directory? I have to go to desktop directory, which is inside the HP directory. The HP directory is inside the users directory. Users directory is inside the C drive. I press enter. I came to desktop. Okay. So this screenshot also you have to take. You took the CD, no? CD double dot ka. Which one you have to take now?
Ma'am, I had a doubt in the last command.
Ask me.
Yes, ma'am. So we are already in the C drive, right? So why do we need to type the C drive again while typing the whole path? Like
Because
we can't.
complete, that's what I said. Complete path you are typing, no?
Okay. Like if
That
we
is
put
absolute path.
directly
This is
users,
complete
it will
path.
not
Or
work.
otherwise, one second, that will also work. Wait. Mm, Now I'm in desktop, no? Okay, I'll go back. Okay, I came here. See, again and again, you no need to type the command. In your keyboard, upward arrow is there, no? If you click, see, all the commands till now, what I typed is coming. Okay, so this will also do. You no need to type again and again. Okay, so the complete path I typed. Okay, suppose if I delete this C drive, C drive. Okay, enter. I came to desktop. So you can type C drive, or without C drive, you can start with, because currently you are in C drive, no? So you can start with C. Here I started with slash users slash HP slash desktop. I did not write C. So this will also work. This will also work. Okay. Now I am in desktop. You take the snap of this. Sorry, you work all these commands. What you have to do, you have to come to 3 level. For example, I came to desktop, right? Okay. So first you show that you are being in desktop. And next you type CD, you will go back to HP. Then again you type CD double dot, you will go back to users as per my file system I'm saying. Okay. I went back to users that you have to show in the snapshot, and then CD double dot, you have to come to C drive. Okay. This should be the commands you have to type. Students, please listen. You just find out where is your desktop is. Okay. You have to currently, here you have to be there in the desktop. Desktop should be your current working directory. Being in desktop directory, come back one directory and then come back another. Like that, you have to come to drive. Okay. How I came to drive too. Like that, you have to, this you just change directory, don't do. Okay. You have to come to drive. Okay, so back one step back you came, and then you have to show how you will go one by one step ahead. Okay, that is CD by typing the next directory users, then CD HP, and then CD desktop. Okay, so only that you have to do and take the snap. Understood? As per my example, in the first statement, I have to be there in desktop. Desktop should be my current working directory. And then by typing cd double dot cd double dot cd double dot, I have to go to C drive. And then by typing cd users, I have to come one step ahead. That means users directory. And then by typing cd users, I have to come to users directory. Then I will type cd HP, I will come to another next directory. And then being in HP, I will type cd desktop, I will come to desktop directory. That you have to show in the screenshot. Should I show that? Or what I said is clear? You can do.
Yes,
In
ma'am.
between, I executed some commands. That's why this confusion. I have to show.
Yes,
Should I
ma'am.
show? Okay. Wait. Then you don't take the snap.
Okay.
What I'll do, I clear the screen. Now I'm in desktop only, so I can clear the screen. I cleared the screen. So now I'm in desktop. You should be in desktop because desktop will be there. That will be there in all the system. Okay, you have to come to desktop. Then being in the desktop, okay, you will type cd double dot. You will go one step back. Then cd double dot, one step back. And then cd double dot, one step back. Okay. Now you are in drive, no? You have to come forward now one by one. CD. Inside the C drive, what is the users? In my case, if you don't type the same, it will not work.
लिस्ट का सामान लेता
You have to find out a hierarchy of your file system. Okay. CD users, enter. I came to users, remember C. Now here CD HP. HP. Okay. Now CD desktop. Desktop D capital. I came to desktop. I was in desktop. I went one step back. I came to HP. Then by typing CD double dot, I went to one step back. Okay. And then typing the CD double dot, I came to C drive. Then I typed CD users to go one step ahead. Then being in users, I typed CD HP to go again further one step ahead. I came to HP. Then being in HP, I typed CD desktop to go to again one step ahead. So I came to desktop. This you have to show. Okay. This you take on one desktop. Don't take the snap of this. Let us type some more commands also. Okay. So now you are in desktop. Okay. This is what we did by typing the absolute address one step. We moved back and forth. Okay. Okay. Now directly how can we type the complete path? Absolute path we typed. Okay. We have to type the complete path. Okay. To type the complete path, what we have to do? Okay. Now first you take the snap of this, and that will confuse. Now this is the absolute path we saw. Now we have to see the complete path. Okay, if you take the snap of this, not this, you have to work and see, you take the snap of your screen. See, students, NSM practical, no? Ma'am took today morning, right? One batch. That time the another batch was free only, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So she could have taken the entire class, right?
Yes, ma'am.
No, some reason would be there definitely. You have to show your output ऐसे कुछ है क्या? So that's why asked this batch by batch only she can take.
No,
So
ma'am.
for me,
Ma'am, you had only told na कि there are particular hours that y'all have to complete.
okay. For that. No, that is okay.
Yes,
But
ma'am.
even both the batches, no, suppose weekly 2 days I have operating system. Okay. So when I am taking operating system for one batch, the another batch is free. So I can take it together. And then in the same week, I will get another slot. In that slot also, I can take both of you together. No, that's what I'm asking.
Yes, ma'am. You can do
Yes,
like that.
ma'am,
The
but
portion will also get
there
very much earlier if we do like
Okay.
that.
But for me, you will not be free. When I'm taking now, another batch is having another practical, no? OS. When you
Yes,
have
ma'am.
this, batch 2 is having some other NSM practical, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So for me, it is not possible. But some of the days, suppose when I am taking, when I am scheduling the OS practicals, if another batch is also free, please let me know so I can schedule together.
Ma'am, you can do like that. You can talk with the NSM teacher, and when there is OS practical, you can take hours together. And when there is a OS practical of batch 2, that time NSM practical would be there, will be
Mm,
done together.
together. But anyway, weekly 2 slots we have to take.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so but instead of taking 2 practical exercises, no, 4 we can complete, na, within a week. If we go like that, togetherly if we take. That's what I'm thinking.
She tends to show the output.
She used to say to show the output. Okay. Maybe because of that. Because she has to get time to check all, no? Maybe because of that. Okay. Chalo, you have taken. Okay, I clear the screen. Now I just show the absolute path. 1 second. I will go back to C. Okay, I clear the screen, then it will confuse. Okay, now I am in C drive. I have to go to desktop. What I will do, I will type CD. Okay. I will type CD, then practice to type the absolute address like this only. Okay, CD colon slash users slash HP slash desktop. So using a single command, I came here. Okay. Okay.
ma'am,
So
this is absolute path or complete path.
this is a complete path. This is complete path. See, it's a complete path I'm giving, no? I want to go to desktop, but I did not give only desktop. I am giving C colon slash user slash HP slash desktop. Where exactly the desktop, the complete path I'm
So,
giving.
ma'am, absolute path is CD desktop, no?
Desktop, yes.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Suppose now see, this is my desktop. 1 second, I share the screen. just minimize this window. Okay. So now I am in desktop. Okay. Being in desktop, I want to create. Now create. I want to create. That means I want to make directory. MD. It's a command name. We can write mkdir also. Okay. But we will keep the short command. MD make directory. Okay. Make directory. That means create directory. So I am creating a new folder. That is the directory name. See, the syntax for MD is a command name. This is the directory name. Okay. MD is used to create the new directory, make directory. So when I make directory, I have to give the directory name, no? So I have given this. This is the directory name. Okay. I'm going to press enter. Where this directory will be, the new folder directory will be created on the desktop only. On my
बास आ
desktop,
रहा
it will be created. Okay, enter. See here, I have the new folder directory. I created the directory. Okay. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now I have to create a file. I just want to create a file. But that file also I want to create. I don't want to create inside the folder. Just on the desktop, I want to create the file. Okay. To create the file, I will use type. Okay, command name type that does not have any content. Okay. When initially I will type null and then greater than symbol and then my file name what I am going to create. Suppose I want to create new file .txt. The file is txt file. Okay. Where I am creating this file on the desktop. Okay. What is my file name? New file.txt is my file name. Okay. What is the type of file? Text file. This as extension I have given. I just enter, but I did not get anything here. But see here on the desktop, I can see new file.text. But this is not the only way to create the, that means check the file. Okay. So now I know that where I created the file within the desktop. Okay. So what is the folder name which I created? New folder, file name, new file.txt. Okay. So inside the desktop, whatever is there, content of the desktop, if I want to see what is the command I have to use, content of the desktop I want to display.
Ma'am, what is the type null wala command? Like, what is it for?
Type is the command to create the file, to create the empty file. Okay, I have to create a empty file. So null I have given. This greater than symbol is along with the syntax. Okay. So I have to, and after that, by leaving one space, I have to give the file name, new file which I want to create. Okay. So now I created the file, but I want to confirm whether the file has been created or not. Actually, by seeing this desktop, I showed you. But here, I want to confirm. Being inside the CMD, I want to see whether the file has been created or not. And this folder has been created or not, I want to confirm. So for that, I have to see the inner content of the desktop. What I will type to see the inner content of the desktop? dir. So if I type dir, I can see whatever files and folders are there inside.
Ma'am, can you repeat the meaning of full form of MD?
One second. See, this is a new folder I created. So this is the directory. And this is the new file which I have created. New file.txt. Where these two are inside the desktop. Because I created inside the desktop. Okay. One second. Now you can work on these commands and take the snapshot. Okay. What you asked?
Ma'am, it's showing access denied in my device.
What you typed? Which command?
That MD new folder.
MD new folder. Currently where you are? In which folder you are? Which directory?
Ma'am, desktop, and then I typed MD new folder and it's showing access is denied.
Maybe you are in C drive, no?
Ma'am.
Huh?
Yes, ma'am.
So sometimes in C drive you may not save anything.
Hello, ma'am.
Because usually the software you will store. Maybe you change the drive, D drive or something.
Hello, ma'am.
Other drive. Yes.
Ma'am,
Yes,
we can do it by opening the command prompt in administrator mode. Then we give full permissions to our command prompt.
Opening admin.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
so
Nahi, ma'am.
should I
Run as
add
administrator.
administrator, right?
Yes,
You
yes.
can do one thing instead of typing, because that is a security. Because usually C drive, we will store the software files. And default path of the if any software, if you installed, no, automatically it will be installed in C drive, no, so it is protected. Okay. What you can do, you can change the drive. You know how to change the drive. Suppose you want to go, you have D drive in your system. So what you can do, you can type D:. So you will go to D drive. So being in D drive, you can do this. You can create new directory. That you can see. Okay. Somebody else asked, something.
Yes, ma'am. I asked what is the full form of MD next to
make directory. MAKE. Make directory.
Thank you.
Students, one of you type and see MKDIR. Actually, that should also work. Wait, I will see. Anybody seeing the screen now? Can I change? It's creating. So MKDIR also you can type MD also. Okay. Command name. Make directory. Okay. MD also make directory. Okay. That MD you can type or MKDIR you can type. Okay. MKDIR make directory. MD also make directory. So you can type anyone. So now next, what are the commands you have to perform and take the snapshot? You have to type the complete path. That is one thing. Okay. And then you have to create a file. Okay. So created the file. After you created the file, you are confirming whether the file has been created or not. Okay. File is created or not, you will confirm. Missing me.
Ma'am, what to do after it?
screenshot, no? Saved,
Yeah.
right?
Yes, ma'am.
That's great. Everybody done? I cleared. Okay. I cleared. Okay. I created the directory. I want to delete the directory. Okay. I know within the desktop, no, I created 2 directories. You remember? I created new folder. I created test folder. And I created one file which is new file.txt. Okay. These 3 are inside the desktop. Okay. Now what I'm going to do, I am going to delete the test folder directory. Okay. So rd, which is remove directory. Okay. md to make directory. rd to remove directory. md to make directory. rd to remove directory. Okay. Remove directory name I have to give. Okay. Test folder is my directory name. I'm going to click enter. Okay. Now on the desktop, I don't have test folder. It got deleted. Okay. Now what I'm going to do, inside the desktop, I am going to move to the directory which I created. Okay, which directory I have created? Test directory, test folder I deleted. Okay, now it is not there. I have new folder, right? New folder directory I have, no, in my desktop. Look at here. New folder directory is there. I just deleted test folder directory. Okay, now test folder is not there. I have new folder. Okay, so I have new folder. I am being in the desktop. I have to go to new folder. Okay, I can type like this. This is absolute path or complete path. Students, this is complete path or absolute path?
Absolute.
Yes, it is absolute path. Why I can write absolute path? Because this new folder directory is directly in desktop, directly inside the desktop. So I can write the absolute path. Okay. So after typing this, I will move to, now I came to new folder. Now currently, which is my working directory? Which is my working directory now?
New folder.
Yes, new folder is currently my working directory. Okay. Now what I'm going to do, being inside, now new folder is empty folder, right? I did not create anything inside in that new folder. I am going to create another folder. Okay. That is, to create folder, I have to create what? Make directory. Okay. So md, I am going to create new sub folder. Okay. New subfolder. This new subfolder will be created inside the new folder. Okay. Enter. Okay. So now look at here. Even now I am in new folder. I can check the new subfolder is created inside the new folder or not. Okay. How can I see that? Through command.
dir.
Yes, dir. So now dir में देखो new subfolder is there, new subfolder. Okay. Now what I am going to do, I am going to delete the new folder. Okay. To delete this new folder, where I have to be? I have to be there in the parent directory of new folder. See, being in new folder, I can't delete the new folder. Now I am inside the new folder, no? So inside the new folder, from inside the new folder, I have to go to desktop, because why I'm going to desktop? I want to delete the new folder. Okay. So cd double dot I will type, I will go to desktop. Now being in desktop, I want to delete the new folder. What is the command to delete the folder or to delete the directory? RD. Remove directory. Remove directory, I have to give to folder name, new folder. Okay. This will not delete. Why? RD, this command, RD command, no, remove directory will remove only the empty directory. But now my new folder directory is not empty directory. Within that, I have created another directory which is called a new subfolder, so that I cannot delete that directory. Okay. This is what we saw in the process in operating system. If any parent process should be deleted, first the the child process should be deleted, and then you can delete the parent process. Inner content should be deleted, and then you can delete the outer content. Okay. When you work in the GUI based operating system, no, you will not understand exactly how the operating system will do the operation. But when you're working in the command line operating system, so you will understand how actually the this deletion, everything will happen. Okay. There you will delete anything, no, just right click, you will delete. Okay. Or otherwise you will click and press the delete button, it will be deleted. Internally, how it will be deleted? Inner content will be deleted, and then if suppose inside any file is there, file will be deleted, and then the file is there in subdirectory will be deleted, and then the parent directory will be deleted. Okay. So I could not delete. The directory is not empty, so I can't delete the directory. So now what I can do, I can go to cd new folder. Okay. Now I am in the new folder. Being in new folder, I can delete what? I can delete the new sub folder. Okay, first I have to delete the inner folder. Delete the inner folder. One second. Lama.
எங்க ராம எங்கம்மா
The ring ஆச்சுப்பா.
அது எப்பயோ ஆஃப் ஆயிடுச்சு.
அப்படியா? ஓகே. Wait. Okay, so what I did, I am in new folder. I have to remove the new sub folder. Okay. Now it is deleted. New subfolder is deleted. Okay. How I can confirm that? By typing dir. Now see, inside the dir new folder, there is no new subfolder. Okay, I deleted. Now I can delete the new folder also. Can I delete? Is this correct? RD new folder. Will deletion happen here?
No, ma'am, you have to go in the desktop and then.
Correct. I have to go to new folder. So cd new folder. I have to go to new folder and then I have to delete the new folder. Okay. Now the new folder is where I am. I have to go to cd double dot, no, cd double dot rd.
Ma'am, even if I come to the desktop or directory, then also I cannot delete that new folder wala thing. Don't know
What
why.
is on the desktop you can delete. That's what you're asking, no?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I came to the desktop and trying to delete that uh, new folder, but then also it is not getting deleted.
New folder you could not delete.
Yes, ma'am.
See here, 1 second. RD new folder, it is deleted now. You see,
Ma'am, don't know why mine is not getting deleted.
it should be deleted. See, when you type RD, the whatever folder you are trying to delete, no? After typing that, pressing enter, what you are getting? Any error message?
Yes, ma'am.
What it is?
System cannot find the file specified.
Then you should go to, you are not in a current working directory. Proper, appropriate working directory you have to go. See,
Ma'am, I'm in
suppose
the desktop.
you want to, see, wait, you want to delete, now in my case, I want to delete the new folder. Okay. How I can delete? Initially, what I tried, being in the new folder, I tried to delete the new folder. It did not happen. Okay. I have to go to desktop because inside the desktop only I created the new folder. So I have to first move to desktop and then being in desktop, I have to type this command. Then only I can delete the folder. Okay. If suppose now look at here. Okay, I thought deleted. I create again MD new folder. Which I deleted. No, I'm creating again. Okay, look
Done,
at my
ma'am. It got
desktop.
deleted. Ma'am, it was in the name that was typing that was wrong. That's
Oh,
why it
typing
was
error.
given.
Okay,
Yes,
okay.
ma'am. Sorry.
Then it is okay. So all these you have to execute and take the snapshot now. What you have to do first, students, please listen. What you have to do first, you have created one folder. If you did not create a folder, please create an empty folder. Okay. How I have created new folder. New folder is the name of the directory. Like that, you have to create one folder or directory within the desktop. Okay. And then move to that new folder. And being in new folder, you create another folder. That folder will be created inside the new folder. How I have created new subfolder inside the new folder, like that you have to create. Now what you will have new folder which has the inner folder of new subfolder. Okay. Now what you have to do, you have to go back one step. That means you want to, now you have to delete the new folder, the parent folder, no, that you have to delete. What you have to do, you will go back to desktop. Okay, go back to desktop and type rd new folder. Okay, you have to get the directory is not empty. Okay, being in the desktop, I am trying to delete a new folder. As the new folder is having another subfolder, that means inner folder it has. So it is saying that the directory is not empty. Okay. Now what I did, I went to, now my aim is I have to first delete the subfolder. Okay, what I have to do that, to delete that, I have to go to new folder. Being in the new folder, I have to delete the subfolder. Okay, after deleting the subfolder, right now where I am in a new folder. I have deleted the subfolder. Now, okay, I deleted the subfolder. Now I will be able to delete the new folder. But how? I have to go to desktop. Okay, being in desktop, I have to write the command. Being in desktop, I have to write the command once. Subfolder I deleted. Okay, and then being in the subfolder, okay, I have to go to new folder. I have to go to new folder, and then I have to go to desktop. Now being in the desktop, you can type rd new folder. Then you will be able to delete the new folder. This is what you have to do and take the snapshot. Can you do, students? Very simple. One
Yes,
folder,
ma'am.
empty folder, first create a row. Inside that, one empty folder. Again, folder you create. Okay. First step, creating new folder. Again, going inside the new folder, you will create one subfolder. Okay. After that, you have to go back where the parent folder is there. You try to delete that. It will not be deleted. It will say that the directory is not empty. Okay. So what you have to do, first you have to delete the inner folder and then you will delete the outer folder. This is the simple one you have to do now. Okay. Till this we will keep. Continuation of this we will see in the next practice.
Ma'am, we have to submit this work.
No, I actually know first the second batch also complete this and then I will create the assignment. I will create the assignment.
Ma'am, we'll have to create it other.
But you can't submit like this. One second, let me finish. You can't submit like this. You have to, in this Word file, no? You have to, if suppose dir is a command, you have to type in the Word file what is the use of dir. Okay, dir is used to list the files and directories of the current working directory. So this is the sentence about that command. You have to type and then you have to properly upload. I will tell you that how you have to do. Now you ask me, Neha.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I was asking, you have to create it differently only, no? Because batches have been divided in the teams itself. Like for practicals.
Of course, individually you have to create your own Word file. But the same commands I will teach to the batch 2 and then in the same sequence I have to go. I noted that.
Okay, ma'am.
Then they will also upload this.
You are telling the commands ka lines now, so we'll note it down and then upload it accordingly for the Word file.
Actually, but that I will not say. Any one of you take the charge of that. Even Neha also can take. What no? Very simple. In Google,
Ma'am, I'll do it.
type. Any one of you can do. In the don't search the other materials and all. Okay.
Yes.
In a Google, suppose DIR you want to see. DIR command in DOS. Okay. Only briefly it will give a one paragraph or one or two lines about the command. So that you will write. Okay. But it should be uniformly written. So what any one of you write and share with all. Okay. One of you type that. Only not your entire word file you should not share with others.
Yes,
Whatever
ma'am.
you typed, no. Okay. Use of the command, whatever you typed, only that you have to share with all. Okay.
And ma'am,
So
we should
who will be
only,
doing this? Kaifali or Neha?
ma'am, I can do it.
Sorry.
I can do it, ma'am.
You will do. Okay. Good. Anyway, you will do for you. So the same file you can share with others. That's it.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, only those codes that you thought I have to mention, no other
Yes,
codes, na?
yes.
Okay,
In
ma'am.
the whatever we did practical note today, in that whatever commands I used repeatedly, I might have used many commands. For example, cd double dot and all many times I used, but only once you have to write about the command. What is cd double dot? What is cd complete address? What is cd obsolete address? Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
And dir. What is dir? What is type?
So, ma'am,
Type. What is MD? What is RD? Okay, only this. Yes, Neha.
so ma'am, this will be asked in the exam or something.
Yes, this will be asked.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, should we leave?
Yes. You all can leave.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Thank you, students. Bye.
Bye, ma'am.